Alright, I've got a 2018 Honda CR-V EX 1.5 liter. We're going to be replacing the cabin filter. To replace the cabin filter, we need to open this up. Right here, you're going to find a tab here. Press it in and lift up. And now that's loose. Now that that's loose, we're going to go ahead and pull it from here. Press it in. See this one over here? All you got to do is press it in and it's going to let it go. And right there, that's our cabin filter cover. Simply just take it out. It's on both sides. And right there is our cabin. Just pull it out. And from there on, you're going to grab your new cabin. Grab your new cabin. You're gonna grab your new cabin and take it out from the bag. And once you got it, make sure that you follow where the arrows are, and go ahead and install it. With that now installed, go ahead and put the cover back in. Make sure this side is facing up. And now that that's in, go ahead and grab this over here. The glove box is now back in place. And go ahead and put that in. And there you go. Check it. And that's how you do your cabin.